preview net sa mahaba mong video. Alright, done na rin ako dito. Kay Sis Angelita. Yunas, then punta ka sa content after live. Okay. Punta ka sa YouTube studio. Tapos, then punta ka sa content after live. Okay, kuya, pupunta ako doon. Content after live. Mamaya. Okay, Yunas. Yunas, my friend. Still there, my friend? I'm in your channel now, Yunas. I will give you a new song. I am playing your latest upload 2 days ago with 61 views and with this video entitled Noso Domingo. Alright. Mudando de Pianos. Ay, nagpe-piano yata siya. Yunas. Hi, I'm in your video Noso Domingo. Mudando de Pianos. Ay, Mudando de Planos. Alright. It was uploaded 2 days ago, my friend Yunas, with 12 likes and 61 views. Alright. Playing, Yunas. Huwag po kayo gagala gamit yung main after live para hindi mo mukbang ni Lolo after hours before gala. After hours after gala. Okay, sige kuya, salamat po sa iyong mga tip na yan. Ang alam ko lang, bawal gumala ng main channel mo during live. Pwede pa pala after live. Kaya naman pala yung mga support sa akin, yung ninja nila yung pinapasok. Okay, salamat po. Gala kayo gamit yung ninja for supporting only. Salamat kuya sa iyong pagbabahagi ng mga advices na yan. Crafts, may I ask why your video is like that? Or I have a problem with my connection or internet service provider. I don't know why it's like that. But it's moving. Kaya nga gawa tayo ng mga ninja for supporting. Opo. Dati ganyan ako, host, hindi ko alam. Opo, hindi ko rin alam. Ang alam ko lang kuya yung during. Kunyari naka-live ka tapos pumupunta ka doon. Yung pala, pagkatapos live, wag ka munang gumala. Ay, ganun. Sige. Alam ko na yun. Yunas, my friend, playing. Yunas. This is 8 minutes, my friend Yunas. For the 5 amazing people who are very supportive with me, thank you so much. Who are very supportive to me, to my live streaming, thank you so much to you. I wish you all the good luck in this YouTube journey. I hope your revenue will get a higher pay from YouTube. I wish also that YouTube will give you lots of ads. Alright. So that you will be able also to help other channels, especially those who are not yet monetized like me. Alright, thank you so much.